loves, it's your girl Capri back with another video. Today's video is going to be a wig review, as you guys can see from the title of this video. So yes, this wig is brought to you guys by SoGoodBB.com. Make sure that you guys check them out. So the wig that I'm going to be showing you guys today is from Bobbi Boss. It's their lace part wig. So no, it's not a lace front. It's only lace in the parting area, not around the perimeter of the hair. It has 5-inch realistic parting, stylish volume, extra natural, hand tied. You can heat her up. It doesn't say to what degree. I wouldn't go past 400. Her name is Miss MLP 0013 Jazmin, or just MLP Jazmin, and I got her in the color 1B. This red is actually really cute. I've seen one girl on YouTube do this color and I thought it was cute, but I decided to just go with the 1B color, and she's right here. So this is basically a grab and go wig. You don't have to do much really to it other than put some something in the parting if you need to, which is probably what I'm going to do. I cannot find any of my lace wig caps, but this is my braid pattern, how I usually have it under my wigs. Just 4 braids going straight back and they're like into each other or whatever. It's still pretty flat at the top, and that's all I really care about. So yeah, and I have a lot of hair, that's too much. So yeah, let's go ahead and put her on. She has 2 combs in the front, which are on the sides along the ear tabs, and then 1 in the back, as well as adjustable straps, guys. Yes, so let me adjust these straps really quick. Okay, so here we go. I'm just trying to match the ear tabs up as close to my ears as possible. So let's get some edges because I'm looking real bald right now on this side. So yeah, you can't really see the part. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my e.l.f. contour palette in deep, and we're just gonna go in with this color right here that I barely use, guys. Okay, so we put a little bitty edges out or whatever. Got the powder on her part, just a little bit of that off. And on her bang kind of like, it's not super flat like this. It's kind of like swooped, so we're gonna try to kind of comb it back. Kind of like push it forward. And yeah, that's a lot better. It just needed some more volume like in the front because my face is so skinny at the bottom. I'm gonna try to roll this neck down or just tuck it in or something so that y'all can see. I really put this shirt on for the next wig I'm wearing so that y'all can see it, but I want y'all to see this one too, so here. But yeah, this is where it hits on me. It's really cute. The hair is really lightweight, moves well, does not shed or tangle that much because it's, well, doesn't shed and tangle at all because it's short, and I'm not having any problems with either one of those things right now. She could be like a cute little everyday wig. It looks so much better when you can see my neck. But yeah, I really like this, y'all. It's so cute. Cute little everyday wig, something simple, easy, but yet really cute, that you could just wear when you're going to work, when you're just going to run errands. Let me turn around really quick so that y'all can see what the back looks like. This is what the back looks like. Let me know what you guys think about Miss Jazmin from Bobbi Boss from SoGoodBB.com. If you guys are interested, I'll have a link to her down below. Yeah, there's nothing really you can say about this wig that's like super bad. I mean, the parting's good if you want to go in and pluck it somewhat right here in this area, because there are some little hairs. I don't know if you can make them into baby hairs or like what, but if you wanted to like widen your part a little bit, because there's a lot of space, like you get like this much space for parting and they only use this much for the actual part. So if you wanted to go in and pluck it some more, you definitely could. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure that you guys comment, rate, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell down below to be updated and join my notification gang, and I will see you guys in my next video.